Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm Julie with Bookshelf by Julie. I have found a new place to sell my physical journals that I've made. I'm going to give that a try. It's a new place, especially new to me, but it's a new place. It's called Made by Shops, and it's a platform where I can put physical items on. Can't do my digitals yet, but they said they were going to expand into that area, so eventually I'll be able to do my digitals on there as well. So I'll put the I'll put the link to these two journals down in the description box, and you can go there and check them out. They just do handmade things, and like I said, they're going to expand into personally designed things, the digitals, like I do. So they're what Etsy says it's supposed to be. Just saying. I just can't sell physical items on Etsy. I sold one of these, and I took this one down really quick after I sold that one. They took almost a third of the price of what I sold it for off and left me with not much. I was shocked at that, and I said, well, I try to keep my prices very reasonable because I don't want anybody to ever feel like they got ripped off, you know, or that I'm too expensive or whatever. But with Etsy, you would have to jack your price up so high, and then they'd still take a whole bunch off of you. You can't win there as a small business seller person, you know. So I can't do that. For now, my digitals are still on Etsy. They do take a bite out of that for sure, but it's the only place I know of right now that I can actually sell them with all the stuff covered. My big thing was the sales tax thing. That becomes an issue when you're selling to a lot of different states. I'm not going to bore you with all that stuff. But anyways, right now my digitals are on Etsy, and my physical items, like these, are on madebyshops.com. And like I said, links down below. I'm going to give you a little preview, a little reminder, I guess, of these journals, and they are awesome. They just are. I try to put in just loads and loads of quality into everything that I do. So hopefully it's going to last you for a long, long time. That's the plan. Little notebook. Not going to do a full flip through. Just a reminder that, you know, it's really awesome. So yeah, you've got just lots of things. Slider here, belly band. I made this online. Well, I made one similar to this online, and then I made a couple more to sell. So it's just beautiful. This is using the Stamperia paper pack, and yeah. Each one of these also is a big pocket. Just a reminder, each one of these pages is a big pocket. So you've got a big journal card in each one of them, okay? Like I said, not doing a full flip through, just reminding you. They're just really awesome and beautiful. This one, there are full flip throughs on my YouTube channel if you want to see the whole thing with all the every detail. Again, these are pocket pages. That's what I call them, pocket pages. And they all open up. There's stacked image pockets in here, belly bands, little, you know, things like that. Things like that. Lots of really pretty things. And I hope that someone will love these journals as much as I do. I have I think this one's just got journal cards in it. Yeah, it's just got journal cards. I think there's a notebook in the other one, but there's journal cards all throughout, big ones. So, you know, I love making them. I love having them. I do. And so hopefully you guys will love purchasing them. I'm just being silly, but you know, it is what it is. So there's that. There's lots of extra journal cards in there. This is a little expandable there with a pocket behind it. See there? Okay. Like I said, not a full flip through. There's a full flip through of both of these journals on my YouTube channel, and they are now in my Made By shop, and it still says Bookshelf by Julie. So, Forest Journal, Hometown Journal. I hope you guys will love them. I sure do love making them. And that is a good place so far. I've had no trouble with them at all, and you get to talk to a real person if you have a problem. I was asking about the digitals and stuff, and it was a real person. That's awesome. Love that part. So anyways, go check it out. See what else they have. They have some really awesome stuff on there, and it's all handmade stuff. Really handmade, not drop shipped from, you know, wherever they do print on demand and drop ship it and all that. They don't do that. They don't allow that on that platform. So it's all handmade stuff. Pretty cool. Okay, I'm not going to take a bunch of your time. This is just a short video to show you, remind you of these, and then show you where I'm selling them now. Hopefully everything's going to work out there. Worked out so far, been really easy to work with. So, you guys take care. Please like and subscribe, pretty please. Thanks for watching. TTFN.